Hey guys, welcome back to your Hindi class. Did you do the test in the previous video? Yeah? I hope it went well. And now we are ready to move ahead. In the tutorial number 8, we learned how to make sentences using main, aap and tum. In this lesson, we are going to learn a new type of sentence using ye and wo. Ye means this and wo means that. ठीक है? Let's go. I'm with my friend Rohit
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम रोहित है.
and we are gonna play a game which I will call ये क्या है. This is a handkerchief which I'll put on my eyes and Rohit will give me certain objects and ask me what it is. I will answer him. ठीक है? Are we ready? Here I go. एक सेकेंड. रेडी.
ये क्या है?
ये सेब है. सेब.
ये क्या है?
ये केला है.
सही बताया. अब बताओ जरा, ये क्या है?
ये कप है.
अच्छा, और इसको जरा पी के बताओ, इसके अंदर क्या है?
अरे अबे चाय है.
बिल्कुल सही. अब बताओ, ये क्या है?
ये सिक्का है.
और कितने का?
कितने का? ये 10 का है.
और ये
ये 2 का है.
और
ये 5 का है. 5 का.
लास्ट है. ये बताओ, ये क्या है?
ऐसी की तैसी जूता है. Okay, this was really fun for me. I hope you understood what I was trying to explain. Now I'll tell you when to use the word wo. ठीक है? Now suppose I am standing in a park. This is me and along with me is a kid, and the kid looks at a tree and asks me, what is that? So the kid will ask me, वो क्या है? वो क्या है? And I will answer, वो पेड़ है. Okay, वो पेड़ है. That is a tree. Ped means tree. Okay. And there comes a dog. I'm not gonna draw a dog. And the kid asks me, वो क्या है? And I will say, वो कुत्ता है. कुत्ता. कुत्ता means dog. ठीक है? And from nearby a cat passes through. And the kid asks me, ये क्या है? ये because cat is near. वो because tree and dog are far. So ये क्या है? I will say ये बिल्ली है. ठीक है? बिल्ली. It's a double consonant. बिल्ली. बिल्ली means cat. Now again, suppose I'm in a room and this is the room. I am standing here and there is a door here, okay, and there is a window. I will tell you, ये दरवाज़ा है. ठीक है? ये दरवाज़ा है. दरवाज़ा means door. And I will tell you, वो खिड़की है. खिड़की, खिड़की. Khidki means window. Now similarly we can make more sentences like I'm standing on the ground and I can say ये ज़मीन है, ज़मीन. Or I can say ये धरती है, धरती. ज़मीन and dharti means earth or ground. And I can say pointing upwards वो आसमान है. आसमान means sky. Okay, or I can say वो आकाश है. Akash also means sky. Before ending the video, I would like to have a review of what we have learned today. Batao means tell. Bataiye also means tell, but it's more formal. Ye means this. Wo means that. Actually, these words are yeh and vah, but in spoken language, we don't say yeh and vah. We directly say ye and wo. Okay. Kya means what. Hai is. Theek hai means okay. Seb is apple. Kela is banana. Chai is tea. And sikka is coin. Now again, we know sikka is a coin. Kitne ka means of how much. Das means 10. Do is 2. Panch means 5. Juta is a shoe. You remember that shoe? Ped is a tree. Kutta means dog. Billi means cat. Darwaza is a door. Khidki is window. Zameen or dharti is earth. And asman or akash is sky. ठीक है. Here we end this video. I hope you liked it. So please hit the like button and share the channel with your friends who want to learn Hindi Urdu. अच्छा ठीक है, चलता हूँ. फिर मिलेंगे.